I attended your Ananda session. It was very informative and useful for me. I learned how we can eradicate the negative thoughts in our life and the methods how we achieve it and how to think positive, and I understood how just by thinking negative we can make our life really terrible.
So you talked in detail about the negative thinking, certain videos, and also the way you explain how to overcome them, the methods, the techniques. Actually, so much of the permutations and combinations of negative thought process goes into our mind that we become enslaved to it, and we don't get to even know that what all this is happening to us. So in that sense, your video was very much powerful,
and I felt it so important and useful after the session. And also I felt very happy after the session because the session is all about positivity, and we started our day with positive energy. And I learned so many new things in this session regarding positivity, how to overcome the negative things around us and from us and within us.
I love the example you gave to explain about happiness. It very much made clear that how happiness is a thought. As you will change the thought, your moment of happiness will change.
I attended your Ananda session today, and it was very, very, very good to attend because of the positivity things you talked about. I had no idea that you can overcome with your negative thought in so many ways, so many directions, which I really loved about this session also. When you talk about talking about the negative things, yes, there are a lot of negative things which is already disturbing as an individual staying in a family. It is really helping. It will more help me now after attending this session how to overcome now.